morning to all, and happy Thanksgiving to all my friends and family out there, to my viewers, to my followers, to my mom, my dad, my aunts, my cousins, all my daughter also in Florida, and my sisters-in-law, Beth Ann and Michelle. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you and your kids and your grandbabies and your husbands and wives. I love you all, and all my family in New York and New Jersey also. Happy Thanksgiving, and I hope everybody has a great time drinking and eating and just hanging out and festivities with your family and friends. So right from there, I'm going to take you right here. Thanks for that, guys. I'm going to be making a butterball turkey, and I got this kind of like a miniature turkey from Butterball, and it has no hormones, cooked with no hormones, no preservatives. And if you can go down here, Mike, you can show people that it's gluten-free. Somewhere around there says that it's gluten-free.
Oh, I'm zooming in.
Okay, are you zooming in?
Hi, everyone.
Did you see it? Where it says gluten-free? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, it says right there, I think. Something gluten-free, right?
Right
I don't have my
there.
glasses on.
Certified American Humane Grade A Inspector.
And where's the
gluten-free? Right there, gluten-free right there.
So just put it, there you go, guys. So it's gluten-free, so that means no preservatives, no additives, no coloring, none of that stuff.
That's right.
It's from Butterball, and only for the very small price of $13. I want you to blow that up there, Michael. See? And change. And I'm gonna flip it over so you can see from Butterball, and it's still attached to the thing that it came in. So
the net.
The wrap. Yeah, actually, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I was waiting for you guys. I'm running a little bit late today, but like I said, it's Thanksgiving. You know, you get up in the morning and you make breakfast. This is my designated gravy that came in the bag.
That's right.
And this is my miniature turkey, as you can see, guys.
Doesn't look so miniature.
My hands have been dry already. I'm gonna put it here. It looks like a pollo, but this I'm only cooking for my husband and myself, and my son Mike behind the camera. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
And a lot of people, when they make turkey or chicken, you know, when they take the giblets out, which is the inside, this is the neck. I'm gonna leave that neck when I season this inside the cavity hole, because this neck contains a lot of fat. It's dark meat. So all those juices from this neck are gonna moisturize. Come on, Ginger. Mama's trying to make a video here. Happy Thanksgiving, girl. Yeah. So like I said, this is gonna moisturize. Ginger. Oh, that's her saying Happy Thanksgiving. Michael, show Ginger. Go around, yeah, show Ginger. Right there.
Hey, Ginger.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, I just took all the giblets, and you gotta turn the bottom of your chicken like this, you see, upside down. I'm not gonna be putting any stuffing in there, because that's like bread seasoned with spices. I don't like that. Which is kind of like, you know, I'm gonna make my biscuits. I have my biscuits that I bought. So that is like one of the things that I'm gonna be doing. So what you do, guys, everything is out, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in here, because we're gonna be eating dinner what time? Like 6 o'clock today.
6, it's gonna be a while.
So what I'm gonna do, guys, is, okay, I'm gonna put, I know I got my hat right, you guys like that?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna take Mr. Turkey Man here, and I'm gonna put it in here, see? And what this is gonna do is drip all the water for
at
like
least an
5
hour.
minutes. No,
Oh.
no. For like 5 minutes, and then while that is doing that, is dripping the water, I am going, and I want you guys, okay? So I want you guys to know what I'm gonna be doing while we're not on the camera. I'm gonna be taking paper towel, and while the turkey is in there with the paper towel, like this, I'm just gonna mop, how do you say that, pop, or when you do this, blotch, or blob, whatever.
Blotch.
Yeah, that's the correct word?
Mm-hmm. B-L-O-T-C-H.
So you're just gonna go do like this against the skin, against...
That's right, no moisture, guys.
You know, you don't wanna have it, the drier it is, the better. Look how pretty
The more
he
crispy
is.
it comes out.
Look, he's all muscular.
That's right.
That's why you don't see those big old legs, like when you buy those big chicken legs, that they're like all swollen. That's from all...
Like they work out.
Exactly, like they're working out. That's all...
Chickens don't work out,
drugs and
guys.
stuff that they put in. So I'm gonna leave it like that for 5 minutes. I'm gonna let you guys go. And I'm gonna let it sit there to see if it has any more water. I'm gonna turn it around and continue to dry. And when we come back, we're gonna season it. And I'm gonna take all the giblets out of this little bag, as you can see, guys. Come here, Mike.
The giblets
Yeah.
or the niblets?
The niblets, okay?
Or the
A lot of
giblets.
people don't eat any of this, but you see this?
Ooh.
This, you cook it, and this is delicious. But nobody's
That'll be a
gonna
future
eat it
video,
here.
guys.
And this is the liver, as you can see, the liver of that beautiful turkey that we're gonna be about to eat tonight. You know, look at that. That is delicious, all that. So anyway, these giblets, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use them, except for the liver, I'm gonna use them, this and the neck, in the cooking of the turkey. So I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. I'm just gonna wash my hands and pick this up a little bit, and we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe, and again, happy Thanksgiving.
That's right.
So we're back. I dry my turkey like I said, and as you can see, I'm just gonna take 2 more pieces, and like, you know, but as you can see, it's as dry as it can be. And I dry my neck, and I dry, this is the chitlin of the turkey, which is delicious. But this and this, I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna put it in the cavity right here, guys, of the turkey. Because if I'm gonna put it in here, all them juices and all that fat of the neck and of this is gonna moisturize. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now, a lot of people, when they season their turkeys or their meat, they throw a lot of seasonings. My turkey, in my mind, turkey is supposed to be tender and soft and just taste like turkey. You know, a lot of people they smoke it, yeah. They grill it, they barbecue it. You can steam it, but
They deep
you
fry
have to
it.
make sure. What is with ginger? And
I
every
don't
time I
know.
go,
Ginger.
Ginger, you want to be in the camera? Get over here.
Come on, girl.
Ginger, come and get it. Come on, girl.
Oh, here she comes, guys.
There she is. Yeah, because she's been barking, and I
Maybe
don't know
she
why
wants to
she's
be on
barking.
camera. There she is.
So we have to make sure, guys, okay? Because once you season, they take your neck like that. Let me, Michael. You gotta, like, you know, just rub your meat, rub your chicken, rub your turkey, guys. You see that? Rub it really good like that. Make sure that everything is nice and you know, flavorful. So all you need, like I said, guys, is just salt and pepper and your garlic. But you want to use that garlic powder, you know, and you want to turn him around like that, like he's getting like a spray tan, you know, and you rub that real good like that. Michael, why are you laughing there? I don't know why Michael's laughing there, but this is what people do, Mike. So why you trying to be funny there? Okay, why are you laughing? Look, I'm getting very hot. Did you guys have the heater here? You know, look.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
This is butter. This is dairy-free butter.
Yes.
Okay, it has no milk at all. Because I was gonna like talk to you guys maybe when I do another like video, a drive-through video. I wanted to tell you guys that. Okay, and then you work it like this. I know it looks nasty, but you know all that butter it's gonna.
No dairy, guys, in this
It's gonna
butter.
melt, exactly. No dairy. No, this butter is
Okay.
gonna melt and it's gonna protect.
This is a dairy-free meal.
Yeah, and then you gotta take all that butter like that. And this turkey is gluten-free. So you gotta put that butter there because that butter is what's gonna cook this. It was gonna make it beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, see, put that there. I'm gonna put the neck. I'm gonna put it in there and try to like, you know, like that. Bam,
Sweet.
cover it. See? And
That's
then
right.
you see the wings.
All the juices,
Okay,
and
hold
then
on.
with the seasoning, right?
That's just, yeah.
And the
this is-
butter. All combines, guys, in the oven.
Yeah.
What are we
exactly.
putting it on? 400?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna put it
350?
on, because I wanna cook it from the inside on 350.
Maybe even 300.
Yeah. On
Because how-
300 so it can cook slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want him to cook slowly. Okay, so we got
Right.
the neck up in there, and then what I'm gonna do, you see the wings, guy? No, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Now, before I put this in, I gotta make sure, you see that? Fat is tucked in like that. I'm gonna be cleaning my pan, guys. I know it looks like a mess, and you know what? It is a messy situation, but it is the best way, trust me, to make your turkey be nice and moisture from the inside out. It's gonna be all nice and crispy on the top, you know, and toasty. I mean, when this is done, you guys are gonna wanna come and have some turkey with me. So I am going to sprinkle a little bit more salt like this on the top, guys, okay? It's just for now, like that, okay? And there's not gonna be any padding. I'm gonna take this foil paper that I have here, and I am going to refrigerate this for a couple of hours because it is only 12 noon. So we're not gonna be eating till what, 6 o'clock?
That's right.
Yeah, I don't wanna eat that early because I already made a whole bunch of breakfast, guys, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And all that stuff. So I'm gonna refrigerate it for a couple of hours, and I wanna let that salt, pepper, and garlic powder marinate in those bones and in those legs and the back of the turkey and just in the whole turkey period, you know? So I'm gonna put one more. Hold on, guys. Because when I get this out of the fridge in a couple of hours, it's going straight to the oven. There's not gonna be any opening anymore. See? There you go. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge. Yeah, I think on the top, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And then I'll, yeah. I'm gonna put this up here, guys, like this. There you go. And we'll be back in a couple of hours. I'm gonna start prepping the rest of my stuff for my dinner, okay? So in between, we'll probably be taking little clips of me cutting, making my potato salad and cutting my potatoes and all that. And then we'll make, right, Michael? You put it all together, make it very pretty.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll finish it up by taking the turkey out. Later, we'll come back with the turkey in, and it's gonna be spectacular. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't drink and drive. You can drink all you want at home, but please don't drive. Love you. I'll see you. Don't forget to subscribe. Back. I'm gonna put our turkey, our beautiful turkey in. It's gonna be in there on 375 for a couple of hours. And then after that couple of hours, I'm gonna take the foil up and put this on high on roast so all the skin on the outside can get nice and crispy and beautiful. So I'll see you later on, okay? Keep enjoying your Thanksgiving day with friends and family. And we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Is 19 minutes before those 2 hours that I put the turkey to cook there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like take off the foil paper on top, and what I'm going to do is, see, this is kind of like almost an organic thing, right, Michael? Turkey, and he looks kind of like small, whatever, but he's not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all this water that you see there. I'm gonna use the water that this, you know what I'm saying, came out of the turkey. Hold on, Mike. There you go. Let me put it like that. That's perfect, like that. And I'm gonna make my gravy. That's right. I'm gonna make the gravy with this same broth. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna put this turkey back in the oven, guys, okay? Let me just take that other part out. That's from the thing. See, all this out. I'm gonna get this out of here. That is from the thing that the chitlins that I put inside the cavity, guys. But it's not bad or anything. But I'm just gonna take it out. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I'm gonna put the thing up. Okay? Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna put it on 400 because I want it to color all over the place because that bird is fully cooked, as you guys can see. So as soon as they get nice and crispy all over, we're coming back, we're taking it out, and we'll be done with our turkey for today. Happy Thanksgiving again, guys, and don't drink and drive, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, Teddy, get out of there. Hey, guys, so we're back. Wow. So you see that turkey is done, so I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna put it up here, guys.
Take a picture.
And I'm gonna cut it. Michael wants to take a picture. I'm gonna put it in a plate so it can look real pretty and all, you know, decorated. Looks all malfunctioning there, but yeah, it's gonna be nice. Are you recording that, Michael?
It's not malfunctioning.
You are, yeah, he's recording. I'm just like tired. I've been cooking since this morning. I made rice. I look a little bit hot right now. I made guandules. And I made some potato salad, and then for the other son, I made a little bit of beef bland steak because he won't eat turkey.
Yeah, the other son.
You know? Well, the other son, not you, Michael. The other son, James.
Oh, gravy?
Yes, I make gravy from scratch.
Oh, my goodness.
And I make baked beans.